Welcome to NexTechie Synapse, the brief, your weekly smart dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Let's get rolling.
This is The Brief on the critical tensions and emerging technologies that are really shaping the next phase of AI. So the latest reports are pointing to this massive shift, fueled by just huge investment. We're talking about things like Meta's $600 billion pledge for data centers. And it's all pushing AI toward these hyper-specialized autonomous systems that are totally redefining how we learn and work. First, let's talk about the AI educational paradox. You've probably felt this. Getting instant answers from large language models, or LLMs, might actually be weakening our critical thinking. It just bypasses that necessary struggle we need for deep learning. So the big pivot now is toward active learning, treating AI less like an answer key and more like a collaborator that pushes you to think. Second, there's the dramatic rise of vertical AI. The general-purpose LLMs are kind of hitting their limits, so the industry is now pivoting to specialized models. These systems are trained on very narrow, specific data to solve niche problems with incredible precision. Think AI that can automate complex manufacturing tasks, something a general model just couldn't handle. And finally, we're stepping into the agentic revolution. AI is shifting from a passive tool to an autonomous agent. It can understand a goal, create a plan, and then just execute. We saw Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.5 nail this, scoring over 80% on a tough benchmark for fixing software issues all on its own. So the future isn't just about raw power. It's about specialization, autonomy, and learning how to truly collaborate with these advanced systems.
This was NexTechie Synapse, the brief. Just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.